The topic is LED ball repair. So this is a LED ball as damage. I have to test it. Is damage. Okay. Okay. And this is a Odisha electricity board supply LED ball, that is Ujala, Philips company. Second is the ball is Ujala. Odisha government will supply Ujala. This is a defective, so to repair. Okay. So as the topic is how can LED bulb repair. First of all, this is a B20 holder. So you have to first replace. This is a when you manufacture, the manufacturer will be clockwise locked, but you have to use a anti-clockwise. Use a plus. Okay. Second thing, this is a diffuser. This is why it is called diffuser. So first of all, you have to use a paste. So first you have to use a blade. This side will be first. Okay, this is diffuser. Okay, and so this is a LED bulb. So first of all, replace. This paste will be replaced. Stop corner. This is a LED bulb. Okay, and this is a circuit. Okay. So I have to explain. This is a this is a fuse or use. This is a resistor, and this is a inductor and a capacitor and inductor. This is a China market company, and circuitry. This is a fuse are used. These two resistors are used. Input supply, AC supply. This is inductor and capacitor. This is output LED. Okay. This is 9 watt, and this is a China company. Okay. And this is a Ujala and Philips company. So this is a I have to replace from these circuits. Okay. And this from these circuits are used, and we install a new. Okay. Used replace. This is a driver circuit. And LED has two types of. One is a DOV. This is a DOV. Okay, this is DOV. The DOV means this is a DOV. Also, this is DOV. This is a 9 watt. This is a 12 watt. The DOV, what will do? This is a user rectifier. This is a bridge rectifier. MB10, and this is a current. Okay, increases. This is a circuit. Okay, the DOV means directly connected, and LED will run. I will test it. This is a L and a L line is there. You have to marking is this is a L and L line. So you have to direct put the connection and ball will glow. This will glow. This is okay. This is a DOV. This is a LED DOV circuit. And a driver circuit is that means this is a driver circuit. This is a driver circuit 9 watt 12 watt, only taking 30 rupees, and this is a LED bulb, the 9 watt. So this is a 9 watt bulb. Each watt is 9. 9 watt means this is each LED bulb is 1 watt. Okay, so this is positive, this is output positive, this is red will be connected. This is this is a driver circuit, this is input supply AC, and this is a output, the red and white. This is output is plus minus is there. So this is LED bulb 9 watt, so plus will connected. Okay, and this is a minus term will be connected. Okay, this will be the driver circuit will be purchased from the market as only 30 rupees. Also we can, this is a white and this is a color LED, blue color. Okay, this is DOB. Okay, this is driver circuit. DOB means this is a circuit implemented, and in a driver circuit that is all separated. This LED and a driver circuit will be separated. I've tested it whether it is working or not. Okay, this is okay. Okay, so I've discussed about this LED bulb. This is a diffuser. LED bulb. This is already implemented the heatsink. This is a China, but in the case of in Indian company, this is a heatsink, and heatsink are use a paste over the silicon paste are used. So this is a Ujjwala bulb. This is a B20. I have to replace. Okay, total circuit replacement, and use it MOB. MOB is use a metal oxide variable voltage. So how can connect to explain? Okay, this is a color. Okay, this is a heatsink. How to test it? How can connection? I have to explain. This is a LED DOB circuit. Okay, and this is a heatsink, and use a paste. This is type of paste are used. There is two heatsink. This is a silicon. So this is a pure silicon heatsink. To when you use LED, it connected this with the heat will be produced. If the paste are not connected or paste not used, the LED bulb will be damaged. So this will be okay. Tested. This will be, and this is the resistor will be connected for only protection. In case of DOB, there is no protection, so I use a MOB. I use any liner. Okay, so that's why I have to use a phase or any neutral term. You have to use this will be okay, and this is okay, and used to use the circuit. This is a color, a pink color. Okay, so we have to test it. This is a pink color. Okay, next I use a blue color LED. This is blue color LED. Yeah. Pen. In a lead circuit, this is a input. First, you have to use a AC supply voltage. This is a resistor, 22 ohm, and this is a rectifier, AMF0, and the resistor I use. Okay, this is a different type of a driver circuit I use. This is a driver. This is a resistor I use. Okay, in the inside there is a rectifier circuit. That this is input, this is output. The mark it is. This is sine wave signal input given. That means input supply is a plus minus this output circuit. Okay. So in the circuit are used to increase the current, means that is a inductor are used. Okay, this is a filter circuit. This is a MOV circuit are used. Okay, MOV means that's a fuse. Okay, this is a MOV circuit I use. This is MOV plus some driver circuit are used this side or maybe this side. Okay, for protection only this high voltage. Okay, so I use a different type MOV. Okay, this is MOV circuit. This is MOV, so we have to test it. I use a multimeter to be set as a 2 mega ohm. This is okay, but this is a another MOV. This is okay. This is a damage. Okay, another MOV. I have to test it. In a MOV there is a between a resistor is there, so it is, if the resistor will be damaged due to the high voltage, so it will be cut, just like a working as a fuse. Okay, this is a another driver circuit. This is a 2 resistor and is a series MOV we are used. Okay, and this is a filter circuit are used, capacitor. In the capacitor 100 microfarad, 25 voltage. This is a inductor are used, so I have to explain. This is a inductor are used. Okay, and then this is inductor. This is a inductor. Okay, so it is a 2 input. Okay, to increase this boost of the current. Okay, this is a boost of the current. Okay, this is circuit. Okay, this is 9 watt, 20 watt, 40 watt, different watt. This is a 20 ohm, either it is a 22 ohm or 47 ohm. This is a 22 ohm. Okay, this is used and this is used in this input supply voltage. This is either at this side MOV are used or at this side is, or you series connected. Okay, so I have to use a different part of this circuit. Okay, this is a aluminum. Okay, this is a okay. First, this is a circuit while used. This is a plate are used. This heatsink plate. Okay, so we have used directly. So in a this is a DOV circuit. In a DOV circuit, you have to see N and a LN. Okay, this is a DOV. You have to explain. This is a N and LN. So you have to direct this point. This will be connected. Okay, this will be connected. Okay, and some circuit is another. You have to use a. This is a L and LN. You have to use a MOB. Okay, how can connected? I have to explain. In a DOB circuit, DOB LED, So there is a mark is L and L9. Okay. So whether it is okay or not, tested it by using a multimeter to be selected as a buzzer or diode mode. Okay. So this is a L. Okay. This is N and this is a whether short or not tested, not started. So this point to this it will be connected. That is N neutral point. Another is a rectified. This is rectified diode MOB10. This is started. Okay. Okay. And this is a L line will be started. So what will you do in a neutral point? This is a rectifier IC. So this point will be connected a MOV. Connected a MOV. So in this circuit I use a MOV. Okay. Another line phase, this is a you have use a 22 ohm. So for only protection. Okay. In MOV there is no protection of the circuit. That's why you have to use a when you purchase the market you have to purchase and connected a 22 ohm. Okay. So I have to this will be connected. Okay. This will be connected. This is a B20 holder. I have to connected it. This will be connected. Okay. So I have to test. Okay. First of all, replace. This is a the 2 point is there. You have to first of all this wire will soldering and to disconnect this wire and will be this similarly that connected this point and to be okay and use a plus clockwise direction. This will be and to lock it. Okay. And this will be connected. So otherwise you have to using heat sink. You can use anything. Okay, this is the resistor. You have to make only 30 rupees. You have to use a paste, white paste are used. Fixing. Okay. This will be connection. Stop. Okay. Test. First of you have to do circuit connection. After then you have to use a series connection. Then you have to directly connect it. This will be direct connected. Okay. Thank you.